Hi everyone. So you can see that here we have a problem. The iPhone is stuck here and it shows a message. Home would like to send you a critical alert. Critical alert always plays a sound and appears on the lock screen even if your iPhone is muted and do not disturb is on. So if I click anywhere, no allow or don't allow does not work. Even if I try to shut down, it will not work. So I can't shut it down also. My daughter is here a little bit. Try to manage that voice also. So I'll just tell you how to do this one. So we can't even shut down the things. You can notice it's actually hanged. So how do I recover it now? So one possible option is let the mobile shut down because my charge is too much here. You can see that it's full charged right now. So even if it shuts down also, it will take too much of time to shut down. So how do I fix it? So what you have to do is you have to remove your sim out. Okay, take your sim out. So just now I don't have the pen right now to take out. I'm just using other thing, sharp thing, to take my sim out. So first of all you have to take your sim out, remove your sim, take it down. Then have to press the power up key and then power down key, and then keep pressing your shutdown key till you see the logo, Apple logo there. It's done. So I hope this video helped you a lot. So it's shut down now. The mobile is shut down. Now if you open this mobile, it will be automatically open. So some are really confusing whether you have to press the key and hold it or not. You just have to press first the key, volume up key, and then you have to press, leave that one and press volume down key. Leave everything, just press the shutdown key for long till you get the logo. You can see now my mobile is switching on. You can see everything is now all okay. You can see there is no message as such. We can even open with the password. I can show you. So it's as simple. Don't make it complicated. Press up, press down, and then keep keep it long pressed. You can see it's all done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like my channel and subscribe it. Thank you so much.